Hello guys, this is Frandy, and today I'm going to show you guys how to integrate your social media link into your Wix website. Alright, as you can see here, this is my website and I'm in the editor right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this website to actually show you guys how to properly integrate your social media link to your website. That way when somebody comes to your website, they're able to actually check out your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Twitter account. They can actually, have the full experience with your brand. All right. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the footer. And what we're going to do here, we're going to add the social media icon in here. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the left of the side menu. I'm going to click on the plus sign and I'm going to scroll down to social, and then I'm going to click on any of these social bar you have in here. So these are pretty much custom social bar. Like for example, if I click on this one, I'm gonna add this this type of a color into the website. If I click on that one, it's gonna be the same thing. But what I can do here is I can choose whatever I want to, right? I can choose whatever social bar I want to, and then I can customize it. All right, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna actually use only three social media icons: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and then we're gonna use all white and round icons. So here's what you need to do. Once you drag this, you drop it in here. You're gonna click over it, and then you're gonna click over Set Social Media Links, and then whatever you're not using, you can actually delete them. You can get rid of them, and then you can also organize this if you want people to see, Instagram first or Twitter first. You can organize this the way you want to, depending on your interest. For me, I like to have whatever is the most popular channel first, um, and then once you do that, you can actually you can actually change. You can click down here to change the link on your social media channels. Like for example, for Facebook, what you need to do for Facebook is go into your Facebook, go into your home, your main business page, and then copy the URL with your business name on it, and then paste it in here. All right. So for this video, I'm not gonna actually use any Facebook page. I'm just gonna leave it as it is right here. It's gonna take you to Wix. It's in default, uh, you know, to take you to a Wix Facebook page. I'm not gonna change it. So we're just gonna leave it like this. And then that right here, that little there's two options right here. Is the first one. If you check this, it's gonna take you into a new tab. So if somebody click onto your social media, onto your Facebook link, it's gonna take them to a new tab. It's gonna open up a new tab. If you check the second option, they're not. It's not gonna take them to a new tab. The page that they're on would actually go directly to your Facebook page. All right. So that's what these options are for. All right. So once you add your URL, you can actually click done, and then you can do the same for your Instagram. You can add your URL and then click done, and then you can do the same thing for Twitter. So one thing I want to mention here, for example, if you don't like the colored icons, you can actually change them. We've got several options in here, as you can see. They have all white, they have all black, they have rounds, they have transparent icons. So whatever you want to use, whatever would fit your website better, you can choose that. Like for example, we're gonna choose all white, brown social media icons. We're gonna choose this one for Facebook. Okay, you're gonna click over Instagram, and then you can click on replace, and then you can type Instagram up here, and then it's gonna show you all of the different Instagram icons. Okay, I can choose that one, and then I'm gonna do the same for Twitter, and then I'm gonna choose that one, right? So as you can see here, now we have all rounds icon for social media you know channels. um, One thing you have to keep in mind, if you actually change your social media icons, you're gonna have to retype your URLs. All right. So if you replace your social media to a new your social media icon to a new one, please remember to actually change your URL, because it's gonna go into a default into a Wix URL. All right. And then if you want to add any additional icons, you can click up here, add icons, and then you can actually choose it. If you want to add, for example, Snapchat URL, you can click, add to library, and then it'll be here. All right. So that's how you do it. And then once you're done with everything, you can see that all of our social media icons are here. And then you can actually custom, you can actually reduce the size and reduce or increase the distance in between all of these icons. Like for example, you're gonna have to click over the icons, and then you click on layout, and then here you can actually increase your size. All right, we're gonna go with a size let's see, size 30, and then you can actually increase or decrease your distance or your spacing. Okay, I think let me see, I think 13 pixels is actually good. Or you can also change the layout by using vertical format or horizontal format. You can do that as well. All right, but for now I'm just gonna put it right here, and I can center, make sure it's all centered. And then once I'm done, I can click save, right, and then publish. All right, and then I can go to the, let me go to the Wix website, or I can just go on preview, right, and then here it is. If I click on Facebook, it's gonna take me directly to the Wix Facebook account. And if I click on Instagram, it's gonna do the same thing as well, and the same as Twitter. All right. Thank you very much, guys.